Okay, I'm going to show the application on a couple of different phones. This one is set to Chinese so that we can see a couple of different things that we're doing, but certainly how we handle pinyin and direct map it to the content on the device. So right on the home screen here we have a search widget. If you click that, you get what we call the dynamic home screen. So the apps here have been learned based on the device activity. So the only apps you see here are ones that are relevant to the user. Based on how often they use it. If I click on this tab, I get contacts. Again, these are the people that I call based on a model which learns the time of day and the day of week. If I go into search here, I can search for obviously people to call. Wait a minute, let me set my input method to just type direct. So if I were looking to call Murley, CEO of Veveo, you'll see that show up at the top. But also if I were looking to call Paul Yan, I could type Wei Peng Yan, and you see it's the fourth one there at the bottom. So we're doing a direct mapping of pinyin to the Chinese. So let's look at a few other things. So if I were looking to set an alarm, I could type Now Zong. Let me get that correct. Now Zhong. And you see that it's understanding that the clock is the app that I would use in order to set the alarm. So again, it was doing the pinyin directly into it. Another one is if I'm looking to turn on Bluetooth, I can type Lanya, and you see, so all the apps here have been translated from pinyin. Another one, let's say if I'm looking for the calculator, so Ji Swan Chi. So as you see, as I'm typing there, we've got the calculator. Now, what we're also trying to do is bring in relevant applications from the network. I'm going to do one more app. This is Fruit Ninja, Shui Gua. So I haven't had to type the other one, and you see Fruit Ninja is there. Now, in order to do that, since we're doing direct pinyin mapping, we need to have the app stores have the same mapping. So I'm going to show this switching it over to pinyin so that you can see the relevant apps if I did it. So let's go back to that alarm example. So if I did Now Zhong in the Chinese using the pinyin input method, then you'll see that the applications coming in from the network are actually relevant to clock. Once we do the mapping in the network, you can get that in either pinyin or Chinese, it wouldn't matter.